Outdoor climbing comes with inherent hazards, and wearing a helmet can help you protect yourself and decrease risk. The Petzl Bora Women's Helmet is a true game changer in the realm of head protection, going beyond the industry standard by focusing on impacts from all angles, top, sides, front, and rear, ensuring enhanced protection for all sorts of unexpected impacts. The innovative Omega headband is designed with a prominent notch in the back, allowing for an easy and comfortable fit while wearing a ponytail. There are many climbing helmets to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best climbing helmet from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Black Diamond Half Dome Helmet. The Black Diamond Half Dome Helmet is the ultimate protection for climbers and mountaineers. Engineered with EPS impact foam and a durable AB shell, it offers superior impact resistance, keeping you safe on the most demanding ascents. The updated, low-profile suspension system ensures a comfortable and secure fit, while the streamlined, lightweight headlamp clips seamlessly integrate with your lighting essentials. The one-handed fit adjustment dial allows for quick and precise customization, ensuring a snug and personalized fit. And with the easily adjustable chin strap, you can dial in the perfect balance of comfort and security. Whether you're scaling towering rock faces or navigating treacherous glaciers, the Black Diamond Half Dome Helmet is your trusted companion, delivering uncompromising protection and performance. Number 2. Smith Convoy MTB Cycling Helmet. Introducing the Smith Convoy MTB Cycling Helmet, engineered to elevate your mountain biking experience with uncompromising protection and seamless integration. Boasting a lightweight in-mold construction and the innovative MIPS protection system, this helmet reduces rotational forces caused by angled impacts, safeguarding your head during those intense downhill runs. The VaporFit dial adjustment system offers 270-degree fit adjustment with just a turn of a dial, ensuring a customized and secure fit every time. Designed for ultimate integration with Smith Performance eyewear and goggles, the Convoy MTB Cycling Helmet delivers maximum comfort, superior venting, and storage convenience. The AirVac ventilation system seamlessly integrates with your Smith goggles and eyewear, keeping your lenses fog-free while you conquer the trails. With 20 fixed vents for consistent airflow, an integrated visor, performance comfort lining, and lightweight, low-bulk single-layer webbing, this helmet combines exceptional ventilation, style, and durability. Number 3. Black Diamond Unisex Capitan Rock Helmet. The synthetic is a meticulously crafted helmet, engineered to deliver unparalleled protection and durability for your outdoor adventures. With increased side and back protection, the synthetic offers comprehensive coverage, shielding your head from all angles. The low-profile suspension system provides a secure and comfortable fit, while the integrated headlamp clips seamlessly integrate with your lighting essentials, ensuring optimal visibility in low-light conditions. The removable and reversible Velcro pads not only offer customizable comfort, but also allow for easy cleaning and maintenance, keeping your helmet fresh and ready for action. Whether you're scaling towering peaks, navigating rugged trails, or conquering urban adventures, the synthetic is your unwavering companion, combining cutting-edge technology, meticulous craftsmanship, and uncompromising safety standards. Number 4. Outdoor Master Rock Climbing Helmet. Introducing the Outdoor Master Rock Climbing Helmet, the ultimate companion for your vertical pursuits. Engineered with a top thickness of 1.7 inches. This climbing helmet features a thick core design that enhances protection against falling rocks and other objects from above, while the thickened top ensures smooth airflow and reduced stuffiness. Utilizing a PPEPS in-mold molding structure, this helmet offers lightweight durability, efficient cushioning, and shock absorption, ensuring comfort during prolonged wear. Certified to the N12492 SU 2012 standard, you can climb with confidence. The ultralight design, weighing just 290 E, reduces fatigue in the head and neck, allowing you to focus on the ascent. The size adjustment button enables easy one-handed adjustment to achieve a comfortable fit for various head sizes, accommodating sizes from 20.86 to 24. Number 5. Petzl Bora Women's Helmet. Introducing the Petzl Bora Women's Helmet, a true game changer in the realm of head protection. Petzl helmets go beyond the industry standard, focusing on impacts from all angles, top, sides, front, and rear, ensuring enhanced protection for all sorts of unexpected impacts. The innovative Omega headband is designed with a prominent notch in the back, allowing for an easy and comfortable fit while wearing a ponytail. The Borea's interior is completely lined with EP and EPS foam, working in conjunction with the outer shell to provide consistent impact absorption throughout the entire helmet. Its hybrid construction combines a thick outer shell made of durable abs with an EPS foam interior liner, increasing comfort while reducing weight. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.